Dealer creation. For defining dealer, you need to go to Dealer Master. Master data, Dealer Master. Click on New to defining Dealer Master. There are no restrictions for defining dealer. Fill up the required master information like name, address, taluka, city, district, pin, state, telephone number, mobile number, fax, email ID, and TAN number. Address for correspondence and contact person. Enter the AMVAT TIN number. CST TIN number. Enter the signatory information, date, place, name, designation, mobile number, and email ID. Business. We will move towards the information related to business. Fill up the required information as shown in the screen. Fill up the fields which are hidden inside the blue wordings. Select the appropriate details from the list after filling up the details hide in the windows. These details will be taken in the various statutory registration. Click on Notified Oil Dealer. Enter the certificate number, date of commencement of business, language of books of account, whether the records are computerized, address of additional of business or go down or the warehouse. Enter the address, taluka, district, pin, state, telephone number, etc. Enter the RC number, bank details. This bank information will be used for the payment, tax liability, and this information will also be used for the various statutory forms where the bank details are to be shown. Enter the branch name, bank name, account number, type, MICR number, bank code, branch code, etc. Click on Save button before moving on another page. Registration. Fill up and select the required details. Other. Fill up the details of the person having interest in the business. Enter person, position, name, age, residential address, share in other business, PAN, etc. Cancellation. In the case of your business is discontinued, then you need to fill up these details. Select and put the appropriate details. Data entry. Notified oil dealer. Now we will move towards the generation of the AMVAT return in the form 235. You need to select the type of a dealer, financial year, return type, period, and the nature of return. You can enter the details of the tax-free sales. Now we will see the data entry of purchases. In this part you need to give the bifurcation of the cells. Set of adjustment. You can give details. Tax payable of the turnover of purchases of taxes paid for set of purpose. You can enter the details of a purchases which are not eligible for the set off. You need to give the bifurcation of the such purposes 12.5 and 4% etc. This screen is all about the setup and its adjustment accordingly the provision of AMVAT Act. Now we need to enter the details of the amount already paid there, then amount paying with the return. Enter the challan number, check number, check date, amount drawn on. Click on e-payment for payment. Alternatively, you can make payment of amount due by clicking on the option e-payment. E-filing. You need to give the database path of the file which you want to save the file. Then click OK. After generating of written message will be shown. Please wait while generating e-file. Press on yes. Ensure all mandatory fields highlighted in red color and properly filled. Options. Enable this content. Press on validate button for validation. and ensure that there are no errors in the return. After correcting all the error, your file will be validated and this message of successful validation will be shown. This means that new return that is ready for e-filing. Click on login to go to AMVAT site. Thank you. Click on computation sheet. You can mail and export this computation sheet in Word and PDF format. Thank you.